This is Gary with R&E Paint and Supply. You can find us at repaintsupply.com. And today we're going to be doing spraying four wheels on a 2015 Chevy Camaro. They've got a little bit of road rash on them, a little curb rash on there. We're going to clean those up a little bit, and we're going to respray the color on there. And to do that, we're going to use a maroon Scotchbrite made by 3M. We're going to use this product by Sprayon. It's a heavy-duty degreaser. So that's going to be our pre-clean. And the second product we're going to use, of course, after we've rinsed this with water and everything like that, then we're going to come back with, and it's dry, we're going to come back with the SprayMax 1K wax and grease remover. And we're going to spray that on there, wipe those wheels down. And the next process or product we're going to use with that is the SprayMax 2K Epoxy Primer. And this is a epoxy primer in black. And we're going to spray these wheels in black, but we're instead going to use the Hot Rod Black Satin. And that's going to give those a real nice satin gloss look. And I think that's going to turn out great. First, we're going to start by cleaning the wheel with Sprayon Heavy Duty Degreaser. And just make sure you rinse well afterwards. Now we're going to go in with a maroon Scotchbrite pad and scuff all the intricate areas to make sure the paint sticks properly. Now we're going to just simply mask the wheel up and get it ready for paint. Now we're going to clean the wheel with SprayMax Wax and Grease Remover and then apply the 2K Black Epoxy Primer, which has excellent adhesion and corrosion resistance. Okay, so now we're ready to apply the color. And for this project, we've chose to use SprayMax 2K Hot Rod Satin Black Urethane. Guys, thank you for watching so much. We appreciate that. If you'll like and subscribe to us, we would greatly appreciate it. And click the bell notification. That way you know exactly when we post new videos.